Hey guys, is your iPhone battery draining too fast? Here's how to fix it. In Settings, go to Battery. Scroll down until you can see the apps. You can close or delete the apps that use most power. Another thing you can do is go to your display and brightness and lower the brightness. One more thing you can do is go to your privacy and security, tap on location services, and turn off the location for apps you don't need them for. Another thing you can do is go back to battery and turn on low power mode. Finally, you can also choose to go to General, Software Update, and make sure you're on the latest software. Updates can also help fix battery problems on your iPhone.